In the rush of early morning, when the red burns through the gray, and the wintry world lies waiting for the glory of the day, then we hear a fitful rustling just without upon the stair. See two small white phantoms coming, catch the gleam of sunny hair. Are they Christmas fairies stealing rows of little socks to fill? Are they angels floating hither with their message of goodwill? What sweet spell are these elves weaving as like larks they chirp and sing? Are these palms of peace from heaven that these lovely spirits bring? Rosy feet upon the threshold, eager faces peeping through, with the first red ray of sunshine chanting, cheer up's common view. Mistletoe and gleaming holy symbols of a blessed day, in their chubby hands they carry, streaming all along the way. Well, we know them never weary of this innocent surprise, waiting, watching, listening, always with full hearts and tender eyes, while our little household angels white and golden in the sun greet us with the sweet old welcome. Merry Christmas, everyone.